To hand sew an opening shut, an opening that you've reversed at the beginning and end, fold in half, put a pin in the middle to hold the seam together, take a hand sewing needle, make sure your thread is cut blunt, wet it, put it through the eye of the needle, and then pull the thread until it is just past your elbow. You want it long but not too long. Cut the threads where they meet, and then to hand tie a knot, you'll take the ends of the thread, put it behind the tip of the needle so it's sticking out about 1 centimeter, wrap the thread around the tip of the needle 4 or 5 times. The more you wrap, the bigger the knot. Then pull the thread down over the needle and right down to the bottom. And when you finish, you should have a decent sized knot, which you're going to take and hide inside the seam. At the top of the opening, then you're going to grab one side of the opening at the top and go to the other side of the opening on the top and pull tightly. Go down about 1 centimeter, grab the other side and go across and pull tight. Now you'll go all the way down this opening that way, down 1 centimeter from one side to the other, pulling it nice and tight, and that way the stitches should be close together and hold your fabric, and you should barely see the thread. Now I've used a thread color that would stand out so you could see it in the video, but when you're using it, you should use one that blends very well. When you get to the middle and that pin is in the way, just take it out and continue in this way all the way till you get to the end, going from one side to the other at the top, and then you'll tie a knot and you'll be finished. If you've done a good job, that opening shouldn't come loose. If you've stuffed it, the stuffing should stay put, and you should have a good secure seam. When you get to the end, you're ready to hand tie a knot. Make a loop, pull the needle through, put your finger to hold it, and pull to the end so the knot is close to the fabric. Do it again, make a loop, pull it through, hold, and pull. Do it at least 3 times, having that knot all in the same spot, and then you should have a good secure knot which you can cut the thread off. And if you like, you could take a little bit of fray check and just dab it on the beginning and end. You can even dab a little all the way to make sure that your seam is good and secure. And you are finished.